How to add a calendar widget in Notion. Hello and welcome back to our channel, beautiful people. Today we're going to learn how to add a calendar widget to Notion. So Notion doesn't directly have a built-in calendar widget. However, there are a few effective workarounds to achieve a similar result. Firstly, the calendar view from the Notion app itself. This is a big bulky thing, but what we're going to do in this video is embedding an external calendar. So this calendar, as you can see on the screen, is a calendar by Google Calendars, and we've embedded the link. So how to do that is what I'm going to show you. Please stay still till the very end of this video. So this method allows you to display a calendar from another service such as Google Calendar. Just go and open your Google Calendar and go to the settings here. And now on the settings on the left panel here, you want to select one calendar that you want to display. So for example, I want to select this birthday here, and then the next thing that you want to do is tap on integrate calendar. Now you don't have to work around for any other codes, you just have to copy this iframe thing, the embed code. So copy it and go back to Notion. Now what you want to do is tap on slash on your keyboard and type in embed. So just like that, select enter. Now paste in the link that you just copied from Google Calendar, the iframe link. So embed it, and just like that, it is being loaded. As you can see, all the birthday widget has been shown here. So just like that, you can customize it as per your wish, and this is your new calendar widget. So I hope you guys learn how to put a calendar widget in Notion. If you learned it, please feel free to like and subscribe to our channel, and as always, stay tuned for more. I'll see you on the next video. We have more videos on Notion lined up, so do check out our playlist, and we have more videos on VS Code as well. So please go through our video, and as always, I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.